Take a ride in the 2023 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, moonroof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.